Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting hands-on with two awesome headphones from EarFun, the EarFun Clip open-ear earbuds and the EarFun Wave Pro active noise-canceling headphones. Whether you're an active listener or a fan of immersive sound, let's dive into what these have to offer. Let's start with the EarFun Clip open-ear earbuds. Now, if you're someone who's always on the move, whether you're running, cycling, or working out, these are designed for you. Unlike traditional in-ear or over-ear headphones, these are clip-on earbuds that sit outside your ears. This open-ear design means you can still enjoy music or take calls, but you don't block out the world around you. It's an essential feature if you like to stay aware of your surroundings while being active, whether you're jogging along a busy street or biking through a park. The EarFun Clip delivers LDAC support, which means you'll get high-res audio for crisp, high-quality sound. The audio is clear with a noticeable improvement compared to regular Bluetooth earbuds, especially if you're streaming high-quality tracks. The Bluetooth 6.0 offers a super fast, stable connection, even in environments where wireless interference might usually cause drops. In terms of comfort, the clip-on design stays firmly in place, and I found it really great for activities like running and intense workouts. These aren't the type of earbuds that will fall out every 5 minutes. The secure fit stays tight, even during sprints or challenging exercises. As for battery life, the 40-hour playtime is more than enough for an entire week of daily workouts or extended outdoor use. 2-mic AIENC tech helps cancel out background noise when you're on calls, making it easier for people to hear you, even if you're jogging in the park or biking through a noisy neighborhood. Overall, these are perfect for active people who want the freedom to enjoy great sound while staying aware of their surroundings. If you're looking for something that can keep up with your active lifestyle, these EarFun Clip earbuds are an awesome choice. Check the description for more details and the link to buy. Next up, we have the EarFun Wave Pro active noise canceling headphones. These are a solid option for those who prefer the over-ear immersive sound experience, but still want some smart features for their daily routine, whether you're working, traveling, or just trying to escape the noise. These headphones are equipped with active noise canceling, making them a great companion for blocking out distractions. Now, let's talk sound. The LDAC high-res audio support delivers superior sound quality, and it's not just about bass, though the bass is fantastic. The mids and highs are crisp, and I found the overall sound to be balanced and clear. It's a great setup for music lovers, especially for those who enjoy audiophile quality sound, but don't want to spend hundreds of dollars. What really impressed me is the 5-mic AI clear call technology. Whether you're on a video call or having a regular conversation, the mics pick up your voice really well, even in noisy environments. You can take calls without worrying about the background noise around you, which makes these headphones great for meetings, work calls, or chatting with friends while out and about. Let's talk comfort. These headphones are designed for long hours of use. The soft ear cups and padded headband ensure you don't get uncomfortable after wearing them for extended periods. Whether you're working for hours, enjoying music during your commute, or binge watching a TV series, the comfort fit ensures you won't need to take them off. Battery life is where these headphones shine. With 80-hour playtime, you can easily go a few days without needing to recharge. Whether you're using them on long trips or long workdays, you don't need to worry about constantly finding an outlet. On top of that, the multi-point connection allows you to connect to 2 devices simultaneously. So for example, you can have them connected to both your phone and your laptop, switching seamlessly between calls, meetings, or music. And the custom EQ via the app gives you full control over your sound. You can adjust the bass, treble, and other audio parameters to tailor the sound to your liking, whether you want booming bass for music or a more balanced sound for podcasts and audiobooks. If you're looking for a premium experience with active noise canceling, excellent sound quality, and comfort, the EarFun Wave Pro headphones are an excellent pick. Check out the link in the description if you want to learn more and grab them. And that's a wrap on the EarFun Clip and EarFun Wave Pro headphones. Whether you're an athlete looking for secure earbuds or someone seeking premium, noise-canceling headphones for everyday use, these have you covered. Be sure to check the links in the description for more info.